In collaboration with BAE Systems, Cisco and our strong network of partners, Flinders University is looking to realise a bold vision for Australia's first industrial-scale, high-value manufacturing, research and accelerator facility, the Factory of the Future.
Australia has an opportunity to be one of the leaders in advanced manufacturing in the Asia-Pacific region, and the Factory of the Future is going to play a critical role in enabling that. It's linked to the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre in Sheffield in the UK, and also the Advanced Forming Research Centre in Strathclyde in Scotland in the UK, so it's part of an important international network of organisations that are supporting the growth of advanced manufacturing.
Already we've established a great foundation for success at the Tonsley Innovation District with the support of the South Australian Government. Investment in the Factory of the Future will build on that foundation, connecting strategic industries, facilitating cross-sector innovation and developing sovereign capability.
In the past, it's often been said that industry and academia are going in different directions. I think our relationship and collaboration with Flinders is an example of how that's not the case. We need academia, we'll require their thinking, their intelligence and their support as we generate the next 10 to 20 years worth of talent coming through this yard. We're bridging the gap between industry, the smaller businesses and academia.
The Factory of the Future will not only enable industry to tap into our research expertise, but affords access to industrial scale test labs to de-risk investment in new technologies and capabilities. By transforming manufacturing through advanced Industry 4.0 technologies, we're fueling the growth of new and existing companies and generating thousands of well-paid and rewarding jobs.
As an SME, the Factory of the Future project is really important to Redarc as we seek to expand our business into the naval and defence areas, because really it's enabling us to undertake experiments and tests in a safe environment where we can prove up concepts before we input them into our factories and ensure they work the first time. I think it's a great opportunity.
It's difficult sometimes for an SME to actually set up something new within their existing business and prove that it works before they move it, but also from a cultural perspective. Just having digital Industry 4 doesn't actually help if your people resist the introduction of that technology. And that's one of the key things that we're working on, is really the sharing of the cultural experiences of people introducing change into their business.
I think anyone walking around Tonsley in the Innovation Centre would be blown away by the innovation environment that's been created. There's a sense of enthusiasm, there's a sense of kind of reaching out beyond what we do today.
We have an extraordinary opportunity to realise the full potential of the Factory of the Future to advance Australia's manufacturing sector and strengthen the nation's economy.